25,000 subscribers. You know what that means. Time to bust out the party hat and have a giveaway. Well, all right, guys, so we're coming up on 25,000 subscribers. I'm super stoked. This is nuts. So thank you guys for subscribing to my channel and all the support. Thank you guys for sharing my videos with your friends and, you know, liking, commenting, all that kind of good stuff. It all goes towards, you know, growing my channel. So I really appreciate it. I hope the videos are helpful for you and or entertaining. So thanks again to everybody for all the support. So we're going to be doing a giveaway, and I thought this year, let's do something a little differently. In the past, I've just kind of done a video, and I'm like, hey, we're having a giveaway, go sign up for it, and that's like the end of the video. This year, I thought, you know, it would make a lot more sense to do a project with the video and then give away a blank like the one that I turned in the video. I thought that was a lot more smart. So in this video, we're going to be making a pine cone. It's kind of a sphere. I actually originally planned to make a sphere out of this thing, but while I was turning it, I was just kind of cutting away material to get down in, and I looked at this and I thought that would make a really cool little base. So, you know, spheres on their own, they kind of need a base anyway. I thought I'm just going to leave this thing in there and kind of stop a little bit short. So it's kind of a cool thing. I just wanted to see how it turned out. The blank is a pine cone blank. Started out 4 inches by 5 inches tall. Just cast it in a PVC pipe, pushed a pine cone down in. And with this one that we're going to turn today, it's got a very tiny, like, pinprick amount of dye, purple dye in it. So it's tinted resin. And then I added that blue to purple color shift powder that I started selling. I thought I want to see how this you know, kind of looks with a pine cone in the background, and I'm super stoked about how it turned out. So that's what we're going to be turning today. Unfortunately, I didn't get any footage of me actually casting the blank, and we're kind of running up on a deadline. So again, real quick, all I did was just add a little bit of violet dye to the resin, and then just some color shift powder, not too much, probably that 1/8 teaspoon per 200 grams that I used for the pen blanks, and then just shoved a pine cone down in a PVC pipe. So pretty similar to a lot of the blanks that I've made in PVC, just add a pine cone, and the pine cone was stabilized. So just to kind of let you know about that, it's pretty simple. So let's get started on the turning. One other thing that I want to mention about the giveaway, though, so I'm going to be giving away, I'm going to make another one of these guys, and it's going to be the giveaway blank. Is the same, you know, same exact kind of blank as I've turned in this video. However, we're also lucky. The folks over at Easywood Tools said, hey, whatever you're going to be giving away, whatever project you turn on the giveaway video, whatever Easywood tools that you use in it, we will throw those into the pool so that whoever wins the blank has all the tools they need to make it. All right, so to turn this up, I used their full-size handle with the CI0 cutter, which is their largest circle cutter, for most of the work. It hogs off material. I like the larger size and the heft, the bigger handle of that for some of these larger projects. And then to get into kind of tight spaces, I use their #1 hollower, which is kind of the smallest circle cutter, negative rake on both of those. And then the last thing was I used an Easy Chuck to hold it. So those tools will be up for grabs, plus a blank. It'll look like this, but I need to make another one with the color shift powder in it and purple. So that's what's up for grabs. There's a link down in the description to the giveaway page where you sign up. Just follow all the instructions and you'll be entered into the giveaway. So let's get started on the project, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Well, all right, guys, we got it all turned up, and I'm super stoked about this thing. It turned out awesome. I'm really happy I left this little base on here. There's little pine cone pieces kind of creeping down in, and it's kind of a neat addition. It's just something a little bit different. It's got a stand built in, basically. So again, one of these blanks, full size, is going to be up for grabs to one lucky winner for the giveaway, as well as a CI0 and a #1 hollower and an easy chuck. Not too bad a giveaway, I think. It's going to be kind of cool. So again, thank you guys all for subscribing, supporting the channel. I really appreciate it. 25,000 is massive. So head over to my website to get entered. There's a link on the screen here and down in the show notes. So head over there, just follow the instructions on the little Glee map thing, and you'll be good to go. The giveaway is going to run until the end of the year. We haven't actually hit 25,000 as of when I'm filming this, so I figured we'll just kind of wait until the end of the year. Hopefully, I will hit 25,000 by then. So I'm going to need your help. I'm going to feel kind of terrible if we actually do a giveaway for 25,000 and I haven't actually hit it. So make sure to tell all your friends to head over to my channel if they should be subscribed and are not yet to my channel, and spread the word about the giveaway. So it'll run till the end of the year, December 31st at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. The entry period will be closed, and then the following week I will draw a winner, and then we'll get a video up announcing the winner. So good luck to everybody, and again, thank you all for subscribing, for supporting the channel, all that good stuff. I really appreciate it, and thank you to Easywood Tools for hooking us up with some cool tools for the giveaway. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.